Hello everyone, today I'm just going to do a review or kind of a setup of my bike. So we'll start at this end. Well, I'll show you what frame I got first. It's a Specialized SSX Trail 2. I can't remember if you can remember the year, it might be 08, or a bit older, but it's not the best frame, but it does me. I like it, always wanted one. And now I've got one, it's not bad. So yeah, my shock, I've got a Fox DHX5. And then I've got Saints on the rear mech, Saints. I think it's 9-speed. 9-speed. And then I've got Shimano Saints. I think that old one's nothing new, but they're not too old, but they do the job, obviously. And then I'm running MTX 39 rim, sun wriggle, with maxi tyres. This won't be the best video, but I'll do the best I can just to show you, sort of an update. Maybe I've got front gears and rear gears, which I don't really want, so I'm going to take the front gears off, because you don't really use them, not in a downhill bike or full sus or whatever you want to call it. I've got a bash guard there, race face, safe pedals. No idea what this is, obviously it's the front gear, that's what it is. Mech, but I don't know what motor is. It doesn't matter because it's shit. I've got a Saracen seat post, probably the best seat post in the world. What clamp have I got? Thought I'd tell you every part I've got because everyone will be asking. It's just a normal Specialized one, I think it's standard. I've got a Specialized seat, pretty comfy, most of the time. I was in Nick grips. Got them focus. Come on, I don't know. Got them the other day, brand new. My ones are second hand, so chain, seat rear, front or front, then rear, under the two. We got gear seat shifter. I think it's a seat shifter. Yeah, sure of it. And now on the rear and front. I've got Easton headset stem on me. I think it's Easton, yeah. Nukeproof. Focus. Warhead bars. I like these bars, very nice. And today I got these. I part exchanged my boxers. All cut for these. Not bad. They're pretty old, but they do the job. Like I say, everything does the job. There's no point spending a fortune on the best. It's good to have the best, but it costs money. You get the picture, but yeah. Got bombers, 6.6s. I used to use them back in the day, and they're pretty good. I like an RC3, but yeah, not bad. So far, I think they're 180mm treble. Yeah, that do. So I had 200 treble, 200mm treble on this before. It was alright, but a little bit stupid. Running maxes on the front as well. I think I'm running bigger on the front. I do sound like a newbie telling my bike, but I'm obviously, I know a bit about my bike, I know what it is and what it does. I'm not like all the specs. Yeah, so this is bigger and that's thinner in the back. And then same, obviously, tyres and rim. Oh yeah, and hubs I'm running is what we got, if you want to see, so proof. In a sec, my bike don't fall over, which it probably will. I'll retard. Let's give it a clean. Oh yeah, my bike does need a fucking clean. It's awful. Dirty as anything. There we go, if you can see that. Focus camera. Oh, come on, phone. Oh, I'll try and let you focus if you can see it. It's been stupid. Oh, they're Hope Pro 2s, so that's what they are. If you want to listen. Give me a second. Because I was into that, you'll all get erections with that sound. So yeah, that's pretty much Pro Tools. Pretty loud, standard. This apparently has been TF tuned, because obviously I bought this bike second hand. The only things I bought was grips, tyres, forks. Well, new for it, not new. This is them, I think. So yeah, TF tuned apparently. But a sticker means everything. So if you get a sticker, definitely means it's TF tuned, stock proof. Doubt it, but you never know. I think I've got FSA, full speed ahead, that's what I mean. Headset. But they need changing because they're not, whatever you call them, can't think now, but you know what I mean, probably not. But yeah, I need to get new bearings. I think that might be it really. So yeah, this is a look at my bike in my kitchen. Pretty cool, bit of a mess, very well. So yeah, that's my bike. Hopefully we'll get on it soon. Go get some more air in these. 40 second hand, and they didn't send me a bloody fucking pump, so I can't blow it up with my mouth. Taking ages. So we'll get there in the end. No, not really. But yeah, order one in, pump them up, check what air's in there. They seem alright. Hopefully riding it soon. I think that's it really. But yeah, that's my bike check. Should be pretty much standard like this. Oh yeah, the only thing I'm probably going to get is a chain device on there, take the front gears off, and then that'll be it really. So yeah, thanks for watching, hope you like this. Obviously my bike's not the best bike in the world, but it does the job. That's the quote, hashtag does the job. Thank you, bye. Like a lot of you does, don't be the one to get beside of you, bruh. I need whatever chicken they gave to 50 and no 3. They're trying to graduate from nosebleeds to these flow seats, whatever.